So I ran the Houston Rodeo. This is like my seventh or eighth time actually running the race. I actually did pretty good considering that I kind of slowed down to stay with my husband who had not ran in quite some time. It's always a festive, live, exciting event afterwards, as you can see here. And you can see the Houston in the backdrop. It's gorgeous. The weather was really awesome that day. So it was just a good run. So we actually went and checked out the conservatory in the Galleria area. I had never been here. It's basically a little spot here in Houston that has a series of different shops, an open bar area in the center. And so you can kind of just go and hang out there on the weekend. It's in the Galleria area and just kind of pick what you want. We definitely earned every calorie that we're about to consume after running that race, and I love Mexican food, so I was able to get some really delicious birria tacos. My daughter was so jealous. I sent her a video of it. Y'all, when I tell you I put my foot in these tacos, and I'm somebody that eats tacos quite a lot because in our home we make tacos all the time, but it was just so good and I was starving and it was just absolutely amazing. So after that, I actually had my husband drop me off to go get my hair done, and he went to go visit his mom because it really just didn't make sense for us to take two cars to where we needed to go. And so this is my hairdresser, Shaz. She's absolutely awesome. She's in Houston in two areas, if you are interested. And in case you guys don't know, I actually have a quick weave, and I get it installed and refreshed every 2.5, every 3 weeks. I just like it because I feel like it just lays flatter than a sew-in, and I like to get to my real hair often. And so I'm letting it grow out from cutting it short about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. So I had to kill some time. So I Ubered over to the Galleria because my husband, like I said, he was visiting his mom and I wanted to be mindful of that. And then I did some window shopping in Chanel because you know what? At the end of the day, your girl's not paying $8,000 or $9,000 for a purse. So we are back. I am all glammed up with my hair with this sweaty situation on from the run earlier today. So I'm actually about to take a shower and settle down and work on my thumbnail for my YouTube and just call it a night, or not a night, but a relaxing night. My husband is gonna make me, I believe, a strawberry lemon drop, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so upper body is done for the day. It is 10 o'clock. It's 10:20. I'm gonna run downstairs, get showered, get dressed to go to church. And I've already done my meal prep. My husband got up super early, like at 7:30. So that woke me up. And then, so meal prep's done. Workouts done, getting ready to go to church. Went to the grocery store yesterday. So this should be a pretty good day. I'm on my way to get my nails done. I try to get my nails done every 2.5, 3 weeks, really every 3 weeks. And one thing is, I love my nail shop because it's super close to my house. Like, literally, it is like a 2.5, 3 minute drive. More importantly, I love going to the nail shop when they like know your name, they know exactly what you want, and I that just sits well with me. And I'm looking for my headphones here because I'm not about to sit here for like an hour without listening to music or watching YouTube videos. And so one thing about me is I keep my nails short and I keep my real nails. So I don't have any acrylics, any overlay. I get a basic manicure with shellac, and I'm looking for something a little fuchsia festive. I almost wanted to go Mardi Gras purple, but I went more with the fuchsia color here, just a little pop of color as we're transitioning into spring. And I'm gonna grab an iced coffee on my way home because once I get home, I'm going to go upstairs to my she shed and work on some kind of things that I need to do around the office and start to close out my Sunday. Okay, so I am messing around. I'm filming with the Pocket 3, and I am trying to set up the mini mic to my Sony ZV-E10. Yes. I was able to do it yesterday, but it's tripping right now. So I'm really just getting ready to do my weekly preview, messing around with technology. It is 4:40 in the afternoon, drinking the little iced coffee. And so I'm gonna spend the next like hour or two doing the weekly preview, messing around with my technology, just getting things organized for the week, and then I'll transition downstairs eventually and get my clothes picked out for tomorrow, and then doing my skincare on Sunday. This has been a week. I love to wind down my evenings in a very purposeful way. So, as I said earlier, I had already cooked everything that morning before we even went to church. So, this week it's salmon, green beans, and rice. This is like a staple in my meal prep arsenal. So, I usually try to cook about 3 days worth of lunch and pack those up ready to go for the week. And then, of course, cleanliness is next to godliness. So, I am cleaning the kitchen. I had to stop and pause because I don't know what my daughter was telling me on the phone, but it was clearly some tea. And then just unloading the dishwasher, making sure the environment around us is clean. Most of the time, it's just my husband and I, so there's really no reason for it to get messy. And as I do every night, but especially on Sunday nights, I pick out my clothes for the next day. I even look at my clothes for the next couple of days and get an idea of what I want to wear. And I try to plan everything even down to the accessories. So in the morning, because I get up so early, I'm not rushing. And Sunday is a staple in my skincare routine. I like to make sure I exfoliate. I have sensitive skin, and I've shared this before, and so I don't exfoliate a lot. So I try to limit that to Sundays. And this is actually a black-owned company, the Butter Bar. I've been using their all-natural cleanser for gosh, probably about 5 or 6 years now. So I would definitely check them out. And then, of course, nice moisturizing afterwards. And then, y'all, I am like a kid in a candy shop. We bought a Tempur-Pedic bed. Like, let me tell you something. When I say life-changing sleep, I'm not even exaggerating. Just the level of comfort that this mattress has and the elevation and all that is cool. But y'all, like, look at me. Like, when I say peace, this is what it looks like. Like, I'm excited to get in the bed. And I'm not even someone that even likes sleep like that. And so I'm just going to wind down. I'm going to finish or attempt to finish watching this very whack season of Love is Blind with my college daughter, who is a couple hundred miles away, which is what we were planning on the telephone call. And of course, make sure that I am hydrated before I go to sleep. And then I am going to finish my evening reading my Kindle and just winding down in a very, very slow way. You want your Sunday reset, weekend reset to really just end in a very calm and collective way so that everything is ready in the morning and your Monday morning sets the tone for your week. And that is peace in itself.